Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firyal Andhara. I will explain about nervous system. Nervous system. What is the meaning of the nervous system? The nervous system is a complex system that plays a role in regulating and coordinating all body activities. The nervous system in human consists of the brain, spinal cord, sensory organ, eyes, ears, and other organs, and all the nerves that connect these organs to the rest of the body. Function of the nervous system. Gather information from inside and outside the body, sensory function. Transmit information to the brain and spinal cord. Processing information in the brain and spinal cord, integration function. Send information to muscles, glands, and organs so that they can respond appropriately, motor function. Anatomy and part of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and nervous cell or neuron. Brain. The brain, the main controlling agent of all body function. The brain is divided into several parts with their respective functions. In general, the brain consists of the cerebrum, brainstem, and other parts of the brain. This area by the skull and brain membrane meninges surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid to prevent brain injury. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is directly connected to the brain via the brainstem and then flows along the vertebrae. The spinal cord plays a role in daily activities by sending signals from the brain to other parts of the body and ordering the muscles to move. In addition, the spinal cord also receives sensory input from the body, processes it, and sends this information to the brain. Nerve cell or neuron. The function of nerve cell or neuron is to deliver nerve impulses. Based on the function, neurons are divided into three types, namely sensory neurons that carry messages to the central nerve, motor neurons in the central nerve. The anatomy of neurons. 1. Cell bodies, which have a nucleus. 2. Dendrites, which are brain-like and function rhesus cytomilus and carry impulse to cell the body. And 3. Axons, which are part of nerve that carry impulse of the cell body. Neuron system structure. Central nervous system and eighth nervous system. Central nervous system. The central nervous system, which consists of the brain and spinal cord, has a function receives information or stimuli from all parts of the body, then control that information to produce a body response. Structures in the central nervous system. It is nerve fiber that clump together in the brain, between brain. A. Commissure tract, left brain, right brain. B. Associated tract connecting parts of the brain in the same hemisphere. The bridge between the brain and the hind spinal cord, and projection tract, brain spinal cord. In the spinal cord, A. Ascending tract, the tract that conduces impulse toward the brain. B. Descending tract, tract that conduces impulse toward the spinal cord. Telencephalon, upper brachiophyre of left and right hemisphere, has lobes, frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes. The lobe with one lobe is separated by an inner gap called a sulcus. Diencephalon, the impulse-emitting center of the cerebral hemisphere. The ventral part is the hypothalamus. Mesencephalon. Mesencephalon has a thick roof called the optic rectum. The broad portion is called the lobe. Metencephalon. The dorsal part is called the cerebellum. The middle part of the cerebellum is called the body. The lateral part is called the auricular lobe or proculus. Melencephalon, called the medulla oblongata. The roof is very thin, thylakoid. Most of the cranial nerves radiate from this section. H. Nervous system. The function of the peripheral nerve is to connect to central nervous system, respond to organs and other parts of your body. This nerve extends from the central nerve to the outer areas of the body as a route from receiving and sending stimulus to and from the brain. The peripheral nervous system. 1. Somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system works by controlling everything you are aware of and constantly influencing the body response, such as moving your arm, legs, and other parts of your body. This nerve function conveys sensory information from the skin, sense organ, or muscles to the central nervous system. In addition, somatic nerves also carry a response out of the brain to produce a response in the form of movement. The autonomic nervous system is part of the system, the peripheral nerves that regulate the visceral function of the body, activated by the center located in the spinal cord, brainstem, and hypothalamus. The autonomic nervous system controls the activities you do unconsciously. This system is continuously active to regulate various activities such as breathing, heart rate, and the body metabolic process. Consists of two neuron networks. A. Neuropreganglion, central nervous system ganglion. B. Postganglionic, ganglion organs. Kinds of autonomic ganglion. Terminal ganglion, located near or in a body organ that is innervated by the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic system consists of two types of nerves. 1. The sympathetic nerves are at the base spinal cord in the chest and waist area. Sympathetic nerves generally function to speed up the work of the body organ. Two, parasympathetic system. This system is used to maintain normal bodily function after something threatens you. After the threat has passed, this system will slow down the heart rate, slow down breathing, reduce blood flow to the muscles, and contract pupils. This allows us to return the body to its own